Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best hot tub chemical starter kits in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Spa Choice 472 33041 Re-Energize Oxidizing Spa Shock Chemical. Free of the more abrasive presence of chlorine, which can often leave hot tub users itchy and dried out, the Spa Choice Re-Energize Oxidizing is a fabulous choice for the hot tub user with more sensitive skin. Designed to eliminate the natural contaminants that can discolor the spa, this oxidizer will clear up your water and also ease your mind over the risk of germs, all without using chlorine. Number 2. Our second best pick is Silk Balance Natural Hot Tub Solution. It has a one-of-a-kind formula that works from the moment applied to remove all organic materials in the hot tub water. This ensures that natural elements will not build up over time and potentially harm your hot tub investment mechanisms. In addition, when the process is complete, there won't be the annoying foam remnants left to clean up, saving you even more time as you make an effort to clean up. As well as cleaning your hot tub water, this product also leaves your skin feeling soft and smelling like pleasant chemicals. In fact, this is the ideal solution for anyone with chemically sensitive skin. Number 3. Our third best pick is Zodiac 2 New Nature 2W20750 Spa/Hot Tub Mineral Sanitizer. With its solid MDF cabinet with a walnut finish and its warm and rich sound profile, the Sangean WR11 is easy to use and quick to dissolve. The Nature 2 Spa Stick Mineral Sanitizer is a great alternative to the more astringent options. To install, place this earth-friendly spa stick into the tub's filter where minerals will be released gradually, thus eliminating the harsher aspect of chlorine and bromine yet still destroying the germs that notoriously breed in hot tub water. And the amazing side effect is, the sensitive skin of your family is protected. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is EcoOne Hot Tub Chemical Maintenance and Supply Kit. In EcoOne Spa Cleaning Conditioner, natural ingredients have been formulated to create a liquid agent that is pre-measured, fast-dissolving, and has been described as a revolutionary solution to hot tub cleaning. For clean, clear water all day, every day, pour the entire 8-ounce bottle of this spa cleaner into the tub once a month. The area is free of chlorine and hydrogen sulfide. By utilizing organic compounds and natural compounds, we can purify our water quickly and efficiently, destroying any bacteria and residues. If you maintain your tub properly, you'll never experience a hot tub rash again. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is inSPAration Spa and Bath Aromatherapy. Specially formulated to leave skin silky and hydrated, rather than the unfortunate blotchy and itching that comes from harsh hot tub chemicals, the inSPAration Spa and Bath Aromatherapy is made of organically based ingredients to give you an overall relaxing hot tub experience. A gentle smell and a proven track record of not being a threat to the mechanisms of the spa make this a great product for your family's consideration. Whether you or someone you know who has sensitive skin, you must consider all product angles before purchasing. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.